what do you bring to the closing table as the buyer and then the seller? As the seller, you bring your ID. You have to prove that you're its rightful owner, but also you have to prove that you are a citizen of the United States or at least legal resident. So you have to bring your green card, your passport, and sometimes your driver's license is enough. Always confirm with your attorney. I always tell my clients to bring 2 forms of ID, and it's useful to have one of your credit cards or debit cards with you as well that have your name and preferably your picture on it. And then as the buyer, you bring a little bit more because you're purchasing something. Of course, 2 forms of ID, preferably American driver's license, your passport, and also credit card or a debit card with your name and picture on it. And as the buyer, since you're purchasing something, you need to bring the money. Personal checks are not acceptable. It has to be a cashier's check or certified check from the bank for the amount of the down payment and closing costs. Usually the title company will give you the final number that you have to bring to the closing the day before or on the day of the closing. You can bring 1 check for the deposit, down payment, and the closing costs, and then the 2 forms of ID. That's all. Not too much, right?